Hey guys, it's Linnea here with the CrystaLac Company. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about our sanding sealer and what it can be used for when it comes to your wood projects, or in this case, a guitar body. Stay tuned to watch how I apply it and what it's used for. Here I'm giving the sanding sealer a light stir. As you can see, it is amber toned. This mimics the look that you would get with an oil base or a lacquer product. I'm going to be using a foam brush doing a dip and drip method. You don't want to wipe off the extra product on the side of the containers or it can cause bubbling. Our products are self-leveling, so you don't have to worry about any bubbles that you'll see as you're applying. You want to do nice thin coats and you'll get a great full coverage. Sanding sealer works as a conditioner to help prep the wood for your next coat of any other top coat or stains. What it does is it seals in the fibers and the grains in the wood to reduce your grain raise, and it really enriches and enhances that wood grain look. As you can see this side compared to the other, you can really see those wood grains and their accents. Here I'm using a tack-on brush. I wanted to show how easy it was to apply with different methods. You can also use a spray gun. You may just want to do one coat if you plan on staining. Do your first coat, sand it back to a smooth surface, and you're ready for your stain. Or you can go directly onto your next product. If you don't like that it's amber toned, we also offer a It's Not Shellac that's going to be clear, and it does the same exact thing.